In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a box on Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to organize your thoughts, tasks, and projects all in one place. One feature you might find particularly useful as you start organizing your notes or pages is the ability to create a box. A box can help contain specific information to make your content clearer and more visually organized. Let's dive into how you can create one in just a few simple steps. First, open up your Notion workspace and navigate to the page where you would like to add a box. This could be a pre-existing page or a new one you're starting from scratch. Once you're in the right spot, it's time to create some space for your box. If the page is cluttered, consider scrolling down to an empty section or clicking somewhere you'd like to see your box appear. Now, you're going to insert a toggle block. The toggle block can act as a container, which already sounds like a box, doesn't it? To do this, simply type a / and the word toggle directly after. A menu will pop up with various block options, so go ahead and select Toggle List. This will instantly create a toggle on your page. Typing toggle is a quick, keyboard-friendly way to add this element without breaking your workflow. Next, you'll want to give this toggle some meaning. Click on the toggle and type in a name or a header that clearly indicates what information this box will hold. You can think of it like a label on the outside of a box giving insight into its contents. Once you've labeled your toggle, you can start adding the content inside. Click on the small triangle next to your toggle to open it up. This reveals the area inside the box where you can put anything you like. It could be text, checklists, images, or even more nested toggles. The toggle feature gives you the flexibility to organize information in a nested manner, which helps in maintaining a clean and structured page whenever you close it. As you're filling in your box, consider the type of information you're organizing and how best to lay it out. A clear and concise approach not only helps you but anyone else who might be sharing or accessing your Notion page. In cases where you want this box to stand out more visually, consider customizing the appearance of your toggle. Options like bolding the text or changing the color of the block can make it pop, providing a clear visual cue. These stylistic touches might seem minor, but they can enhance your overall workflow. Once you're satisfied with how it looks and functions, you're all set. Feel free to create as many of these boxes as you need across your Notion pages to keep everything organized and easy to navigate. With practice, this technique will become a natural part of how you work in Notion. So that's it. You've learned how to create a box in Notion, allowing you to keep your workspace stylishly organized and perfectly tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!